Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to show grid lines or lines on your Samsung Notes. So by default, you do not see any of these grid lines or lines. However, this is a really good template for you to use, as this will make your handwriting more neater, as you can basically write in lines. So let me show you how you can turn this feature on. So first, you want to go ahead and open up your Samsung Note. Next, tap on the three lines, then tap on Settings. From here, find Default Note Style. Now from here, tap on Template. And now by default, you'll have the blank template. However, you can go ahead and choose all the different templates which are available. If you do maths where you have graphs or you have numbers, you can go ahead and use these boxes template. You can use a to-do list template. If you use the PDF, if you tap on PDF, you can go ahead and use all these available templates which are available online. Once you've selected it, go back. Now go ahead and open up a new note and you'll see your grid lines on your Samsung Notes. So there you go, guys. That is how to get templates on your Samsung Notes on your Samsung S25 Ultra. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.